Okay, so we got a Sportster here, but we've fixed some things on it. So I want to show you how to trick out your Sportster to make it ride good, and you don't really lose any handling, and it's a whole new ball game. So what we've done, took the swing arm out, cut the swing arm at 45s, added a 2-inch piece in here with a gusset on the bottom. We lengthened the swing arm 2 inches. And when we lengthen the swing arm 2 inches, if you notice, this is where the shock eye used to be. I also extended the strut 2 inches, put a new shock eye in, all the hardware bolts right on, fender moves back 2 inches, so we have a 2-inch longer wheelbase. The advantage of this also is I now have a Saddleman 99 style Dyna seat on it. So for once I don't have butt burn on a Sportster. I have a great seat. You take the cover off, you roll the edges of the plastic down with a heat gun, trim some off of the front. Your seat still bolts on. Back here on the fender, everything is just moved back 2 inches. So now you got a Sportster. It's moved the rider back an inch, and it's moved the passenger back. This thing rides like a dream. The other thing that you want to do, these shocks come off of Mike's XS650 Yamaha website. Get you a set of these 12.5-inch shocks, put these on. These are shock absorbers that actually work. Huge difference. You will not believe how your motorcycle rides. Even the Dyna guys, be a good idea to do this to their Dyna on the shock part. But this is night and day difference. If you're really into a Sportster and you want it to ride and work well, this is what you need to do to your Sportster. Until you really look at it, you don't even hardly notice anything's been done. Even your module for your rear fender, for your signals and everything. If you only go 2 inches, that module still sits in the exact same place and the wire is just long enough to plug in. It's got an S&S carb, Andrews N4 cams in it, ported heads.